Step into a world where science fiction becomes reality. Behind these heavy doors, the boundaries between human biology and advanced machinery are finally starting to vanish. Welcome to the birthplace of the 22nd century's super soldiers. Here, we witness the birth of power that was once only imagined in the greatest movies. Every click and every lock signifies a transformation. We are not just building tools, we are creating an extension of the human spirit through precision engineering. Inside the super factory of the future, the exoskeleton is emerging as the new symbol of power for the digital warrior. This is where strength begins. The scale of production here is immense, combining raw industrial power with the delicate touch of micro-robotics to forge something truly extraordinary for the modern age. And before a single piece of metal is cut, thousands of simulations ensure that every movement is optimized for the human body and the harsh environments of war. This is the pinnacle of defense technology. A masterpiece of engineering designed to turn a standard infantryman into a force of nature on any global battlefield. As we dive deeper into the manufacturing process, you will see how materials and intelligence merge to create the ultimate armor for the heroes of tomorrow. The journey begins with titanium. This military-grade alloy provides the indestructible skeleton of the suit, offering unmatched protection while remaining incredibly light for the wearer. Carbon fiber composites are layered over the metal frame. This combination ensures the suit is flexible enough for agility, but strong enough to withstand direct ballistic impacts. Every millimeter is measured with absolute precision, and even the smallest screw is tightened to an exact torque to ensure structural integrity under the most extreme pressures. Advanced 3D scanning technology detects imperfections as small as a fraction of a millimeter. In this factory, there is absolutely no room for even a single error. At the molecular level, these materials are bonded to create a shield that is virtually unbreakable. It is the perfect balance of modern chemistry and engineering. The assembly line is a symphony of motion. Each station adds a layer of complexity, transforming raw materials into a sophisticated weapon of defense and survival. The dexterity of the suit is crucial. These mechanical hands must be able to lift a heavy crate or pull a trigger with the same delicate precision. Finishing the exterior is an art form. Every surface is polished to reduce friction and improve the aerodynamic profile of the soldier while they are in motion. To prevent overheating during intense combat, a specialized liquid cooling system is integrated directly into the frame, maintaining a stable temperature for both machine and man. The joints are the most vulnerable parts of any armor. We test them until they exceed the limits of human endurance, ensuring they never fail in battle. Finally, a stealth coating is applied. This material absorbs radar waves and reduces the thermal signature, making the digital warrior nearly invisible to modern detection systems. The brain of the exoskeleton is a custom AI processor. It acts as the central hub, processing millions of data points every second to synchronize movements. These fiber optic nerves are thinner than human hair. They carry signals from the wearer's muscles to the suit's motors with zero latency for instant response. By monitoring brain activity, the suit can predict the wearer's intent. It moves even before the human muscle fully contracts, creating a truly seamless physical experience. A suite of environmental sensors provides the pilot with 360-degree awareness. And the AI filters this data, highlighting threats and navigating obstacles in complex tactical situations. Software is just as important as hardware. Our engineers write specialized algorithms that allow the suit to learn and adapt to each individual pilot's unique walking style. Every connection is gold-plated to prevent corrosion and ensure a perfect signal. In the digital nervous system, there is no room for data loss or interference. The suit is constantly connected. Real-time diagnostics are sent to command centers, allowing for remote support and tactical updates while the soldier is on the move. The HUD transforms the pilot's vision. Information is overlaid directly onto their field of view, providing a decisive advantage in the chaos of a modern battlefield. To survive mud, water, and explosions, every electronic component is encased in protective polymers. This digital heart is built to beat in the worst conditions. Redundancy is built into every circuit. What if one pathway is damaged? The AI automatically reroutes the signal, ensuring the suit remains fully operational during combat. This is where human intelligence meets machine logic. The result is a digital nervous system that makes the exoskeleton feel like a natural part of the body. Now we witness the muscle of the machine. High-pressure hydraulic pistons provide the raw force needed to lift heavy loads and move with incredible explosive power. The strength of the exoskeleton is terrifying. It can lift over half a ton without a single tremor, allowing soldiers to carry heavy weaponry with ease. Smoothness is key to mobility. Ceramic bearings and advanced lubricants ensure that every movement is silent and fluid, preventing mechanical fatigue during long-range missions. Advanced valve systems manage the flow of energy. The system is designed to recover energy from every step, maximizing the battery life of the entire suit. While maintenance is vital for these artificial muscles, every drop of synthetic oil is formulated to withstand extreme temperatures and pressures without breaking down or leaking. The speed of response is astonishing. The hydraulic system can deliver full power in milliseconds, allowing for devastating strikes and lightning-fast defensive reactions in close combat. We monitor thermal output constantly. Heat management ensures that the mechanical components don't degrade and that the soldier remains comfortable even during high-intensity operations. Balance is maintained through complex algorithms. The hydraulics adjust the foot's angle instantly, providing the soldier with perfect stability on the most uneven and difficult terrain. The energy density required is enormous. We use next-generation solid-state batteries to provide the hours of power needed for sustained combat and long-distance marches. This isn't just for carrying things. The exoskeleton provides the kinetic energy to breach walls and overcome physical obstacles that would stop a normal human cold. Synthetic tendons provide a secondary layer of support and elasticity. They help the hydraulics mimic the natural movement of human muscle for a more intuitive feel. The moment of truth arrives when man meets machine. As the chest plates lock, the pilot is no longer just a person. They are a warrior, reborn. System boot-up is complete. Every sensor, actuator, and circuit is now online and synchronized with the pilot's heartbeat and neural signals for total control. Initial calibration begins with a simple walk. The AI learns the pilot's gait in seconds, adjusting the hydraulic resistance to provide a completely natural feeling of weightlessness. Gravity feels different inside the suit. A simple jump can clear several meters, and the landing is cushioned to protect the pilot's joints from any impact shock. Real-world testing takes place in the harshest conditions. Mud, water, and debris are no match for the sealed joints and powerful drive systems of the exoskeleton. The versatility of the suit is its greatest strength. It enhances every physical action, from combat maneuvers to heavy logistics, without sacrificing the pilot's natural range of motion. The pilot remains the soul of the machine. The technology is designed to empower the human spirit, not replace it, ensuring the warrior's intent remains the priority. Environmental sealing is tested to the extreme. The suit must operate perfectly in tropical storms, desert heat, and freezing Arctic environments without any loss of performance. Internal climate control is vital. By keeping the pilot cool and hydrated, we ensure they can operate at peak performance for days instead of just hours. The digital warrior sees the world differently. Night becomes day, and hidden threats are highlighted by the AI, giving the pilot an unfair advantage in combat. Agility is not sacrificed for power. If the exoskeleton is agile enough for close-quarters combat, allowing for fluid movements that can dodge attacks and strike with precision. Modular weapon systems can be integrated directly into the frame. This allows the suit to be customized for specific missions, from reconnaissance to heavy assault roles. Speed on the battlefield is survival. The exoskeleton allows for rapid deployment and repositioning, making a single soldier as effective as an entire traditional squad. Success in the field is the only metric that matters. Every test brings us closer to a future where the soldier is a truly invincible digital force. When the will of the human is fused with the strength of the machine, the very definition of human limits is rewritten in steel and silicon. Quality control is our final line of defense. Every suit undergoes a full X-ray scan to ensure there are no hidden structural flaws or electrical shorts. Each unit is individually identified and tracked. And every component has a digital history, ensuring we can trace any part back to its original forge or lab. Security is paramount. These suits are classified military assets, representing the cutting edge of national defense and technological superiority that must be protected at all costs. The suits are carefully packed into specialized transport pods. These containers maintain the internal battery charge and environmental stability during long-distance global shipping. Vacuum sealing prevents any oxidation or moisture damage during transit. We ensure that when the pod opens, the suit is in perfect showroom condition for the soldier.
This shipment is cleared for
the final lock is turned. Each shipment is a commitment to the safety and effectiveness of the warriors who will rely on this technology in the field. A new generation of power is ready to be unleashed. These crates hold the future of warfare, waiting to be opened on the front lines of tomorrow. Yet the global strategic landscape is changing. Technology is now the primary driver of power, and the exoskeleton is at the very center of this revolution. The data is clear. A soldier equipped with this armor can operate for triple the time, with 10 times the carrying capacity of traditional light infantry. This is the new face of the military. A small elite squad can now achieve objectives that previously required an entire battalion and heavy armored support. Stealth and power are no longer mutually exclusive. These digital warriors can slip past modern radar and strike with the force of a main battle tank. Commanders now have a new tool for tactical flexibility. The ability to deploy superhuman strength anywhere on the globe changes every calculation of war and peace. The deterrent effect is massive. Knowing that an opponent possesses this level of individual power forces a total rethink of conventional military strategy and defense. The evolution doesn't stop here. That we are already working on the next iteration, which will be even faster, stronger, and more integrated with the human mind. From this factory, the future is being forged. It is a symbol of our relentless pursuit of perfection and our commitment to protecting the digital frontier. You have seen the process, the precision, and the power. This is how the exoskeleton is built, from raw titanium to the ultimate digital warrior. At ProcessLab, we decode the world's most complex systems. We bring you inside the places where the future is actually being manufactured today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update on the technologies that are redefining our world. The future is closer than you think. Thank you for watching this journey into the heart of the super factory. We will see you in the next episode for another look at the impossible.